everybody, Chris G here, Positively Progressing. Thank you so much for tuning in and for your continued watching habits. Before we jump into the 2-5 today, I just want to take a second here and say a couple of words about the music that we love to play, that we love to learn, and the music that we're passionate about. The music I'm talking about is Black American music. Black American music has had a profound impact on my life, and I'm guessing it's had a profound impact on yours as well. Many of my heroes are Black Americans. Look at the wall behind me. Those are all my heroes. And Black American music means more to me than just music. Those heroes, their music, it's inspired me. It's motivated me. And in the darkest times of my life, it's showed me the light. I urge you to support in any way possible. There's free ways to support. You can educate yourself. You can donate money to any of these organizations that's supporting the Black Lives Matter movement. So much love and peace to you all in this crazy time where the world feels like it's upside down. Stay safe out there and just keep doing your part to keep creating unity within our communities. All right. Let's get to the 2-5. So this week I'm featuring Kenyon Carter. Kenyon and I are both alumni of the Inside Outside retreat. If you want to know more about the retreat, I'll put a link above. Kenyon also has a really cool course called Bebop Bootcamp, a boot camp of bebop. So it's an 8-week program that's guaranteed to transform and teach you how to construct and make up your own bebop lines in as little as an hour a day. You'll see in the PDF below how organized it is. I highly urge you to check out that class if you're looking to create your own bebop language. It's a very, very helpful class, and I know a lot of people have gotten a lot out of it. Feel free to check it out. All right, so let's check out Kenyon's 2-5. Did you hear that? Let's listen again. Sounds like another tritone subline. Tritone, tritone, tritone. Woo! All right, let's break this killer line down. So we're going to use his breakdown to explain the line, to limit confusion, to keep teaching you guys the right stuff, and keep things clear, because that's the point. So this line is in B flat, and like I said before, it's a tritone substitution. So our normal B flat 2-5 would be C minor 7 to F7 to B flat major 7 or B flat 6. Either one is acceptable. But instead, we're doing C minor 7 to B7, there's a tritone sub there, to B flat 6 or B flat major 7. So he's thinking F7 over that C minor 7 chord. So those two scales or those two chords are exactly the same, they just start on a different note. So the way that the breakdown's working is the numbers are related to the F7. So we're going 7, 1, 7, 6, all 16th notes there. Then we're going 5, 4, 3. Then he pivots down to the 5. I call that a pivot. Instead of going 3, 5, 7, 9 stacking, what he's doing, he's going 3, pivoting down to the 5, and then going 7, 9, and stacking from 5, 7, 9. Now we're on to the tritone sub, so now we're on to the B7. And so these numbers are related to the B7. So when he gets to the B7, he's going 5, 7, 9, 11, or 4. Then he's walking down 3, 2, 1, 7, and then 1, 5 resolution on the B flat 6. There's a lot of great bebop nuggets in here. You have the pivoting, like I said. Pay close attention to the way that the 9, 5 resolution from the first bar to the second bar, and then you have that leading tone resolution from the 7 of the B to the 1 of the B flat. That line is full of really great voice leading, and voice leading is what helps you sound like you know what you're doing, like you're hitting the changes or nailing the changes, speaking the language properly. That's that voice leading, and having those voice leadings on the and of 4 into 1 are super important. Maybe some of the most important notes of your soloing, those transitions from 4 to 1 of the next bar. So I got one more awesome thing to tell you about. Should we do a dance montage? I mean, let's do a dance montage. We all deserve a dance montage. So let me tell you about what this awesome thing was before we went into the dance montage. So Kenyon's done something really cool. On the free PDF below that you can download, he put a link to 10 free 2-5 lines. Pretty awesome. Very, very generous, Kenyon. Thank you, man. And I'm sure everybody is thanking you as well. That's it. Thank you to Kenyon. Enjoy the line and enjoy the other 10 that you're getting. Thank you to all you for tuning in. Until next time, always positive, always progressing. Later.